Good afternoon, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are replacing Egr valve on a Vauxhall Astra 1.3 CDTi. The Egr valve is located on the back of the engine. It sits there. This is the one we have taken it out. So I'm sharing this video just to show you some tricks in taking this Egr valve out. The trick is ensuring that you create as much space as possible. In creating the space, what we have done is we have taken out the battery first, then we have also removed the intake air pipe, this one out. Then we've taken out the air bottle. The air bottle has got a small clip at the end here, which you have to slide out. Then the coolant bottle, called coolant reservoir bottle. So when you take out the lab at the end here, then you should be able to slide out the coolant bottle out, and it comes out very easy. To repeat, the coolant bottle, to take it out, you need to take out the rubber at the end here, which stops it coming out. Then you just slide it out. Then we've taken out a throttle body. To take out a throttle body, as I said before, you need to take out the coolant, the air intake pipe off. Then take this one out. Then you need to take out this one out, the throttle body, and also take out this adapter. And then you'll create your space. The next thing you're gonna do is to disconnect the two thermometric valve coolant pipes. These two, they are very easy. Then you need to, so that's, they come to one of this one here, that one on the Egr. They need to disconnect this one, and after that there are two screws you need to take, which secures the Egr valve, one, two. And after that your Egr valve should come out. Of course you need to disconnect the electrical connector. So to summarize, disconnect the air pipes, take out your throttle body, take out the adapter, remove the coolant reservoir pipe, disconnect the coolant pipes, 1, 2, and the third one will be here, and remove the two screws that secures the Egr valve. And lastly, disconnect the electrical connector on the Egr valve, which connects here. And after that, the Egr valve should be out. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.